Hello and welcome to this year's UK Martin-Gatton College of Agriculture, Food and Environment Field Day.
Field Day is one of my favorite events throughout the whole year.
This is a completely student-led program.
89 FFA and 4-H chapters and organizations are here today. 2,350 people here today.
We're cooking about 3,000 burgers for the students that are going to be coming, and we're hoping we're all going to have a good time today.
I love getting to see scratch, and you get to meet a lot of different people and see what they've been doing at their school.
There's so many events here. It is crazy.
Yeah, they look forward and they ask to come here.
And I just love doing FFA activities.
Joy on everyone's faces to be here, to meet new friends, to meet a lot of our leaders in the industry. It's a really good reminder of why we're here and what this place means to everyone.
Also, what we hope is that you will gain energy from each other.
To be here is an awesome experience, and to be in a different environment, in a different setting where everyone is kind of doing the same thing, it makes me feel more confident in myself.
But it also teaches them maybe how to lose at times too, and how to get better and learn from those particular scenarios.
We probably just needed a little bit more time to practice, but I think we did pretty good with what we had.
Last year we got second last year, so we really wanted to come home with gold this year, and we were able to do that, so it was a lot of fun.
I did good. I thought I did pretty good. I backed her right in there.
It teaches them that they have to practice, because if they come up here and not practice, they're going to do terrible and be embarrassed. So, we practice with them and give them the resources that they need, and we just want them to have fun and be a team member, team player.
And just being able to see campus and the community and the environment that we have here in the College of Ag is really amazing. I felt so welcomed and seen here in the college, and so it definitely played a huge role in my decision to join the College of Ag.
And to be able to be here and see other kids wanting to follow and do those things and carry on this legacy in the state and beyond makes me tickled to death.
If you don't leave with anything else, get outside your comfort zone. Always be pursuing greatness, and look at agriculture as something that you want to pursue in your life.
I love coming to Kroger Field, and we love UK Field Day.